Folks, I am not Amari from Best RV in Torla, California. What is behind me? It's a brand new 2025 Forest River Solera 32DSK. If you need a classy motorhome with a bedroom slide and a big 14-foot slide, that is the one. The start first thing, the Solera, they have a nice painted cap in the front. So this is blue paint. This is not a decal. This is painted. It's sitting on a Ford E450 chassis. It has also a power awning with LED light. It has still fiberglass, gel coated. And then there's a place here for a trash can. It's easy to grab your trash. You wouldn't have to drag it from inside. Come with a 4,000 watt generators. Nice bedroom slide out. So you have a nice bedroom slide out here with a big storage in the back. Look at all this storage you see here. It's amazing, and you can access it from both sides. And that's all this. Again, we say it's paint, not a decal. It has a nice gel-coated cap, fiberglass cap, even in the rear. Like some competitors, they have no cap in the back. This Solera has a cap in the front, cap in the back, Class 3 hitch with a 7-way plug, a backup camera, even the cap in the roof. As you see, we said this is a mega storage in the back. And you can access it from both sides, and it has a really nice light over here too, and it's flashable, and you can access from both sides. Then you have a nice place for the black and gray water hookup and all that. And then you have the powerful cable hookup. Then you have a storage underneath the dinette. You have a 40-foot flat out. You have a nice seating here, dinette, and a sofa. And again, it's sitting on a 450 grass. There's a running for. Let's go inside and show you the 32 DSK Solera. What I really like it, I don't have electric step. I have to worry every time I park and on, off, on. It's easy low, so you can see there's 2 steps to get into the floor, so it's easy to get in the motorhome. It has all the mechanism right there. It's easy accessible. But as what I really like about this floor plan is you have a nice sofa facing the TV and a huge counter space. So this sofa turned to a bed, as will the U-shaped dinette. But look how so comfy it is. And across from it, I have a nice 32-inch TV. It's a smart TV, and I could utilize the storage behind it. That's a neat. Big counter space, huge. Here's the place for trash can, as I said. You can access from outside, and a socket here for USB plug, 110 plug, LED lights, big country sink, one piece with a rise faucets, huge storage. I mean, you tell me storage for silverware, I mean, utensils, I mean, huge, even with a big shelf, place for cooking pans, pantries. You could put another stuff here. More, this is a nice pantry with a shelf. You could more cooking pan here as well. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 silverware, and they're self-closing. As you see, you need more counter space? Yes, we got it right here. We got an extra extension. Let me just put it in. Voila, extra counter space. So unbelievable counter space. People buy this unit for 2 reasons: big kitchen, big counter space, big slide, and you have a big slide out in the rear. Beside all the storage in the kitchen area, whole entire sofa. I mean, I'm getting tired just by opening these cabinets because you got storage, and they're on a shock, easy to get in. Want more storage? Voila. You need more? No worries. What else you need? Nice, beautiful storage, huge storage underneath the dinette bench, and this, even that side is open from outside. This is turned to a bed. Easy to get 5 peoples around this table. So if you have kids, grandkids, table solid. Where's my drink? And all these units, if you notice, they're on a self-closing, so I don't have to worry about click when I close them. Isn't it beautiful? And then over here, so you have a nice 3-burner range oven. I mean, electric oven as well, 3-burner range. This is electric oven as well, convictions. You have another door storage here, cooking pans. I mean, you name it. This size of motorhome, you don't have to worry about storage. And kitchen counters. I love that 11 cubic foot with a 2-door for the fridge, some big door for the freezer. Now, you see this? You want more storage? Show them the pantry. You have doors right here, plus a couple shelves, and more here, more storage. Now, people, they say, wait a minute, Niall, everybody could see my bedroom. No. By me closing this door like that, I could travel this way if I want. I could leave it that way. No one in my living area and kitchen could see my bathroom and bedroom. You see the privacy? Could I see the bedroom? No. Could I see the bathroom? No. And by doing that, I'm getting a master suite where I have the bedroom and the bathroom in one area. So I could take a shower, use the bathroom, get dressed up, go to bed, and nobody see anything. Let's go inside. As you see, this unit is to come with 60 by 80 queen bed, not RV queen, it's a queen bed. Reading lights with window circulation, USB plugs, place for breathing machines, and there's a 110 plug right here. And huge closets. You can see how deep with light and hanging. Show them, please. Show them how a lot of closets, a lot of shelves. Also, if you decide to have a bedroom TV, I could put one right here if you want. No problem. It's possible. The reason why I don't put in, some people, they say, when I go to bed, I don't care about TV. Some people, they do, but it's not end of the world, because we could have 32-inch TV sitting right here, no question asked. You have more storage. You can see his and her. Also for her, doors for socks, underwears, and so on. And there's a storage underneath the bed. This unit has 2 AC in the bedroom with thermostat, AC in the living room, or I could run both AC at the same time. Now, look here, the trick. We told you, I don't want nobody to see anything in my bedroom. Voila. Nobody could see my bathroom. Nobody could see my bedroom, because by this, it has a magnet at the end corner. So when I open the door, I have privacy. I could shave, take a shower, dressed up, go to bed. Nobody see anything. Full privacy. Also, the bathroom is it's a glass shower door, not the cheapy curtains like some of them. Big shower head, big skylight, very roomy. And if I close it, hello, you're not gonna see no water outside. And then when it's come to the toilet and the bathroom, nice. Even the sink of the toilet, they give you cover. Nice sink. There's a plug here for hair dryers. Like I have a bad day here. Hair dryers. A nice medicine cabinet for his and her. And a big porcelain. Now, the beauty about this toilet, there's no problem with my knees. Like some big people here, they come complain, oh, it's gonna hit my knees. Well, guess what? There's a lot of room for your knees when you're sitting on this toilet. It's easy to do your business, no question asked. Going over here, look how beautiful this living room. I could do the dance here. I could dance in this living room. Look how big it is. Look how big the kitchen, how big cabinets, everything accessibles. You could watch the TV from the sofa. I could watch the TV from the U-shaped dining. Nice shelf here for my drink. Plugs for both. Plugs there, plug here. So no issue when you have a laptop or something you want to do. Some people, they work from their motorhome. Easy, I could put a laptop and work from here. Now, the nice cap comparing to the other brands. I love this storage boxes. There's a USB plug inside the storage boxes. So for the kids or the grandkids, they love these stuff. There's 2 windows. Some of them, they put 1 window. This has 2 windows, so easy for wind circulations. Nice view. Same thing here. When it's come to the RV, you could see it has a backup camera. Typical Ford E450 chassis, USB plugs. Now, these mirrors, some competitor, they give you mirrors, but they're manual. This one is electric and heated. So I could control both sides of the mirror. I go left, and then I could go move, move, move. And if I want to turn heated, I could do that. So this is heated, electric mirrors on the dashboard. Now, this unit, they're gonna say, Niall, I'm having a hard time how I'm gonna stabilize this when I go to a campground. Guys, you don't have to do nothing. All you do, you walk to this area and go click. You see right here, home, auto leveling. This unit has auto leveling. I push that switch. The motorhome will do the dance, stabilizer, sit on the four legs, and I could camp in it, and will be like a rock. So this motorhome has auto leveling stabilizer jack. And not just a stabilizer, it has its level. I mean, completely sometimes erase the unit of the ground to make it level. Solar panel with a controller, you can see right here. Light switches for outside, switch for the battery disconnect switch, and so on. So has solar, has auto leveling, has 2 AC, has power awning, has LED light, has a big TV, huge counter space, big U-shaped dinette, a sofa, roller shade, bedroom slide, fantastic fan, and it has the 5G hotspot. So you see this blue sticker here? It's a 4G light. I could put a router here, and I could make this motorhome hotspot for my smart devices. So you guys need to come to Best RV, grab the Solera 32DSK, because we have it at a price no one in the state of California could match. And what else we give you? Free dealer prep, free walkthrough, no hidden fees, no gimmick, no $2,500 extra charges like some other dealers. Only sale price, tax and license, and we are the lowest price. Come to Best RV and grab the Solera 32DSK, the one with the 2 slide outs.